Okay, next stage in our construction is putting our mesh into our front two panels. So obviously the small piece goes above the door. Just need to slide that up and in until it's touching the roof, and just make sure you're even on both sides. Okay, that locks that corner in place. Same with the other top corner. Okay, once you've got the two top corners, then what we need to do is just to pull that mesh down tight and get our bottom corners. Okay, once you've got your corners in place, then just work your way up the sidewalls.